and this is my closet. Before we get started in this video, I've been opening a marathon of boxes. So I just want to point out what I am wearing. From Luxury Divas, I got this beautiful watch. You can see that. And I have a small wrist and it was able to fit. I think I have like a 6 something. So that's the watch. And then I also got this beautiful leaf necklace from Luxury Divas. So if you haven't checked out that video, I will leave a link so that you can check it out. And for my Hollywood black box, I have this beautiful necklace, a beautiful bracelet, and it is that Swarovski, I can't pronounce it, stone in there. And then it's got these, and again, it fits my wrists perfect. So if you've got smaller wrists, you're good to go. So I just want to point out, and then I have my Barbie palette eyeshadow by Pure. Just wanted to get that out of the way. So today we're doing a bunch of unbaggings, I should say. I have 2 Ipsy bags. I don't know if they're 2 separate months, if I ordered an extra one. I kind of have them for a few weeks. And then I also had another giveaway. And I don't enter that many giveaways. So I was just shocked that I'm winning these. But this is from an adorable YouTuber. It's ShiningStarSoup. I will leave her channel below. I don't know what's in here, so we will find out. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, you know how much I appreciate you. So the Ipsys are $10 a month, but the rumor on the streets is they're going up to $12 a month. And then they came out, they have the Ipsy Glam box that's $25. And now they're coming out with a super box. It's like $50, but it's got all full-size products. So what I did starting in October is I signed up for the bigger box and I canceled the 2 smaller ones. Because I don't know about you ladies, there's only so much makeup, skincare that one face can go through in a day. So let's open this one. I'm not sure if it's August or September. You can probably let me know better. But it's that one with the beautiful pink bag. I've seen a lot of YouTubers unbagging it. So the bag is beautiful. And then, is there a card in here? There's no cards in these. I can't remember. And it has the Radiant Glow Highlighter by IBY Beauty. And it's a sample size. The case is stunning though. It's a beautiful case. Of course I can't open it. I hope you guys are all having a great week. Let me know what your plans are. Let me know if you guys do Halloween. Ever since my kids are grown and out of the house and I have no grandchildren, I don't really get into Halloween except for the candy. In my freezer is a bag of Reese's. Okay, so this is the highlighter that I already stuck my thumb in, so I guess it's mine now. And it's a beautiful highlighter. Perfect for the purse. So that's really nice. And the next thing is a lip color by I don't know who and I don't know what. Lip Lift Max Glossy Lip Plumper, and it is in the color Sheer Rose. So that's very pretty. next thing is by Tokyo Milk Blush Oil Stick. And it's got a color. I guess that's the color. I've never heard of this. It's a fun little container. And let me see if I can do it without butchering it. Wow. So there's the color, and I guess you just... So I'll have to give that a try. I don't know because it's kind of dark for my white skin. And the next thing is Vital Boost. And it's a daily moisturizer. There's a nice sample size. And the last thing is in bubble wrap. You know I love me some bubble wrap. Okay. And it is the Meech and Mia taupe. I don't know if it's an eyeshadow or if it's a brow. I'm sure that's on here. So that was everything in this bag. And again, I'm thinking it's September. Maybe I ordered it and just forgot about it. I gotta watch those order fingers. Okay. And the next one, I'm thinking might be for September. Because it's the pink. That one was a gold. So if you guys are experts at Ipsy, will you please let me know what I did? Maybe this is the one, because I've seen these too. This is the splatter one, and I really like this one. So in this one, is there a card? There's a card in this one. There wasn't a card in the other one. So maybe it was something I just ordered extra and it doesn't come with the card. So we've got the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Masks. Nice travel size for sure. And then we have the Sundays. I don't know. Oh, it's a nail polish. What a pretty color. And Sharon, my Avon, she's a YouTuber. She sent me a beautiful nail file. So I might get motivated to do my nails and not scare you guys off. This is the tiniest size ever. So this is obviously a sample. It's Benefit Gimme Brow. And it's a volumizing gel. Okay, you don't need much for your brows, but seriously? You need a little teeny weeny. So there's that. Now this looks like a full size, and it looks like Oprah, and it's got bubble wrap. Time to play. Okay, now into my giveaway. And she's so sweet. She sent it all the way from Canada. So I feel bad for the Canadians because they have to pay so much in postage. So they miss out on a lot. But I've seen that they have a lot of good stuff that's only offered in Canada. Oh, I won an Ipsy bag. How appropriate. This is the green one. Oh, how cute. And inside was the Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Polishing Mask by Yenza. And I don't think I have this. And the Jolini Cosmetics. And look at that color. That might work. And Cursayor. I don't know what it is. How fun is this? 3 Ipsy bags. Mystical Eye Dust. Cruelty and vegan free. Look at that color. Now you know I'm going to make a mess when I open that. And there's two more things. So what's this fun thing? This is by Tarte. Sting Zing. Sorry about that. I don't know what it is. Plumping lip serum. That is so cute. And rejuvenating mask. And that is a nice size. Boy, she must have known. I had no idea what was in this bag. I just thought it would fit perfect with opening my Ipsy. So that is just great. So please leave comments below. I'm going to link her channel below so you can check her out. She's a great YouTuber and she's got a super background. So I actually got 3 Ipsy bags, and I'm going to be giving, probably going to be giving this one away. I'm going to put a bunch of goodies in there and then give it to one of my subscribers. I just randomly will pick a subscriber, email her, and send something off. So it isn't a public thing. It's just to show appreciation without having to go through the contest, and appreciating the people that watch my channel all the time. So again, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have an awesome day.